Hi, I'm Maria Rosmann, and along with my husband Ron, we would like to welcome you to the Practical Farmers of Iowa Field Days at our place at Rosmann Family Farms on Saturday, September 9 from 1 till 4:30. This is free and open to the public. If you are coming from outside of Shelby County, please do not GPS us. The best way, and we're easy to find, is that from the intersection of Highways 59 and 44 in Harlan, we are 2 miles west on 44, and then turn right on Ironwood Road and go 2.25 miles. Harlan is located in Shelby County. We're in the southwestern part of Iowa. Again, it's from 1 till 4:30. The food will be excellent, and Ron will tell you about the tours.
Yeah, my name is Ron Rosmann. Our farm here, I grew up on this farm and started farming in 1973. And what you're going to see on the tour is diversity of crops and livestock. We're going to have a speaker talk about nitrogen and water quality from Iowa State University. I had the privilege of being an original board member of Practical Farmers of Iowa, and we started in 1986. And our farm here has been certified organic since 1994, and we have cattle and hogs, all certified organic. We have popcorn and a great diversity of crops of corn and soybeans and hay and pasture and lots of cover crops. There's lots to see. It's a real family farm. We have 2 sons and their families involved with us, so we welcome you to come to check us out. We'll talk a lot about the practicality and the nitty-gritty of how to farm this way, how to farm without pesticides. We are ridge tillers still, which is a reduced form of tillage, works well with organics, and like the motto of PFI, we're always continually learning, trying to ask the right questions, and seeking answers in a sound scientific way.
And the event will be held rain or shine.